Sarah, while she doesn't touch the floor, she's touching everything else on that thing. Her curiosity has peaked. Well, it hasn't peaked, but it sure has gotten high.
She's touching everything. I'm looking at every item.
She's totally content. Entertaining herself.
Look at that look in those eyes.
I'm sure if it were closer, she'd eat it.
We'll have to send this to Aunt Patty because she does this.
Mary. Last time we put this in her, and then she hated it. Now she's just going to town. She's getting big so fast. Sarah. 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 You were just totally absorbed in what you're doing. Hey, you having fun? Are you having fun? He doesn't care a thing about me. All right, good to know.